G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So today we are making two cocktails. Well, it's pretty much the same cocktail, but it's made two different ways. It's called the Gimlet. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is grab a shaker. Because I'm making two today, we're going to have two shakers going, and I'm going to talk through each one and how we make it. So first thing you do, load both of your shakers if you're making two at a time with ice. All right, so the first one is 50 mils of gin, a dry gin. Straight into the shaker. And then it is 50 mils of a lime cordial. As simple as that for that one. Next one is 75 mils of a dried gin. Half a fresh lime, or about 15-20 mils. And 15 mils of sugar syrup. And that is it. Pretty easy, huh? So now we're going to shake these bad boys up and serve them. Here we go. Alrighty. So quick strain. We're going to use some of our glasses today. We've got our coupe, which I'll serve the second cocktail in, and a little Nicanora glass. Beautiful. So and then we're going to garnish with a fresh lime wheel. I just hacked that one, so we're going to do another one. That's a bit better. All right, beautifully on the side. There's a massive lime wheel, and we're going to garnish this one with a piece of dried lime. I'm just going to sit that on top. And there you have the two versions of the Gimlet cocktail. Enjoy.